Hi guys, this is Kyle here with UHS Hardware, showing our new Honda pin removal tool. We have a Honda Ignition here, and we'll show you how to extract the pin with this tool. This is the tool, comes with some pliers, a couple of shims, replacement taps, an Allen wrench for replacing your tap. We're going to start by demoing this Honda Ignition here and show you how to use this. Okay, here's your first shim. It's all laid out for you. You put it on there, and it lines up with your roll pin. Your tool screwed all the way down and your shim in place. Proceed to tap the roll pin. Tighten down onto the roll pin, get a bite on it, and then proceed to use this for leverage. And the ignition should pop out once the pin is removed. Boom. And there's your roll pin, and you can reuse it. The second part, removing the roll pin from the ignition cylinder. We have this, goes on the back for leverage, comes with the kit, and we're going to tap this. I'm sure, as most of you may know, trying to get these pins out is a pain. We got a bite on it now. Screw it down a little more. We got a decent bite on it. Roll pin should be coming out. And there it is. And the pin's reusable. They're on your tailpiece. And bang it back in. And then this tool that comes with it for putting the pin back in. And there you go.
Find your Honda Acura Ignition Roll-Pin Removal Kit at uhs-hardware.com today by searching for KLF-IR.